Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Canada to India using a QR code. Well, this entire process is quite simple and straightforward. We're going to utilize this excellent platform called Remitly. And well, with Remitly, we will be able to make all kinds of international transfers very easily and efficiently. And well, what we primarily need to do to successfully send money to India is pretty straightforward. Here, once we have our Remitly account, we're going to click here and look for it. And once we find the country, we're going to click on it and then click this button that says send money. Once we click there, here we're going to set the amount we want to send. And here we're going to see the methods we can use to send the money to the other person. Or if it appears like this, it might also be that we have to choose the payment methods for this transfer here. We pick one, and it will ask us how we want to send the money to the other person. We click continue once we've chosen an option, and then we'll enter whatever information they ask for here, okay? And once we've entered the required information, it will ask us for a series of details that we need to fill out, and finally we'll make the payment, okay? And that's it. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.